Hi guys, and welcome back to Learn with Nia. In today's video we're going to look at the best free tools that every YouTuber needs to know about. If you're a YouTuber, especially if you're just starting out, you might be wondering, what tools do I need to create great videos? The good news is you don't need to spend a fortune on really expensive software. Today I'm sharing the best free tools that every YouTuber should know about. Tools that will help you edit videos, create eye-catching thumbnails, improve SEO, grow your channel, all for absolutely free. So tool number 1, Canva, the absolute best free design tool. I am a massive fan of Canva. I've used it for a very long time. I've actually subscribed to the pro version now, but I used the free version for a long time and I managed to do lots of different things with it, like create thumbnails. You can edit your videos on it if you want to. You can make channel banners, you can make graphics for all kinds of social media. Canva is absolutely amazing and it's getting better and better all the time. I cannot recommend Canva enough. Not taking anything away from Adobe products, they are brilliant, okay? But for those of you who used to use Photoshop, InDesign, that type of thing, you don't need that anymore. You don't need to pay that, whatever it was, $29.99 a month to Adobe for that anymore. Because you can do more or less everything in Canva. You can even create CVs, resumes, little graphics, you can edit your photos, everything on Canva. So I can't recommend that enough, okay? So I would say definitely for your design tasks then go to canva.com and use Canva. You won't be disappointed. If you need to know how to use some things on Canva, I've already made some tutorial videos that you may have seen on making a logo in Canva, making a banner in Canva, that type of thing. So I can't recommend Canva highly enough, okay? It's an easy to use drag and drop interface. You don't need to be a professional graphic designer to make really professional looking thumbnails, logos, banners, whatever you need for your channel. And they've got a ton of free templates which are specially designed for YouTube. So like for your channel banners, for your thumbnails, all that kind of stuff. And you can just alter the template to suit whatever your content is. You can change the photos, you can change the text, do whatever you like to them, okay? You cannot go wrong with Canva. I highly recommend it. So tool number 2, CapCut. Wow, what an awesome video editing software. It's powerful, simple to use. CapCut is so the way to go to edit your videos, guys. So CapCut has a free version and a pro version. Again, I now subscribe to the pro version, but the free version I used for a very long time and you can do so much with it. It's absolutely fantastic. You can get it for your phone, your tablet or your desktop. There's different versions of it which you can use. And you can save all your edited videos to the cloud as well. You can add text, you can add transitions, you can add effects, you can cut, paste, copy, everything. And it works on a timeline so that you can slot things in wherever you want when you're editing. I will do a video on CapCut. If you'd like to see that, please let me know in the comments below and I will make a tutorial video on CapCut for you. It is so easy to use. I can't recommend it enough. It's what I use and it's what I would recommend to anyone starting a YouTube channel or wanting to edit videos more effectively and use different stuff. Then CapCut is the way to go. It's really easy to use and it's still packed with lots of pro features that you would find in really expensive editing software. And it's easy to make your videos look pretty polished and professional. So I would highly recommend CapCut for your video editing. By the way, I'm not sponsored by any of these brands. These are just the things that I use that I would highly recommend you use as well. Okay, tool number 3, TubeBuddy. Now, you might have heard of TubeBuddy. It can be your secret weapon for YouTube growth. So if you want more views and subscribers, you need to take a look at TubeBuddy. So it's a free browser extension. So if you're using Chrome, you can just add it as an extension in Chrome. It'll help you find the best video tags, SEO, titles, everything for your video. You can do research in it, analyse your competition to see what's working and what's not. And you can use A/B testing of your thumbnails. You can do this in YouTube now as well. I think they've added that option in. But on TubeBuddy, you can do A/B testing on thumbnails and see which ones are the most effective for your videos. So you can see which thumbnail gets more views. So the free version is really good at helping you grow your channel. It'll show you all sort of analytics of each video that you're watching. It'll show you what tags that person has used in their video. So if you find a really successful video, then you might think, oh, I might use some of those similar tags, or I might use a similar title because that's obviously very effective. I might do that. I mean, you could do that anyway just by looking through YouTube. But if you're using a tool like TubeBuddy, it can help cut your research time in half, because it'll give you all the numbers and you can see what's working for that particular person, and then what you can use for your videos to try and get that same kind of interaction with the videos. A tip when you're using TubeBuddy that I like to use is that you can use the keyword explorer to find low competition topics that are easy to rank for. So again, if you'd like a tutorial video in TubeBuddy, then let me know in the comments below. There is a pro version of TubeBuddy that you can pay for. It's not very expensive. I think it's less than $5 a month, but the free version is great and I would highly recommend you download TubeBuddy. Again, I'm not being sponsored by any of these companies, but it's the stuff I use, so I'm just sharing that with you. Okay. Tool number 4, Remove.bg. This is an instant background remover for thumbnails. So this is a game changer for making pro level thumbnails. It'll instantly remove backgrounds from your photos. So if, like me now, you're in a room recording something and you're taking a photo for your thumbnail and you don't want any background, then it'll get rid of the background for you. So it's perfect for putting yourself on a different background. So you might have a photo that you might want to use as your background for your thumbnail, and you just want your face in it, or you just want your headshot in it, and you can just easily, quickly get rid of the background. Now you can do this in Canva as well, but I believe you have to pay for the pro version to do that. I may be wrong. You can also do it in CapCut to your videos, but I know you have to pay for the pro version to get rid of your backgrounds in CapCut. So if you just want to do it to your photos for your thumbnails, then I would highly recommend Remove.bg. So all you do is upload your image, one click, and it removes the background for you. It's so simple to use. That's something that I use to get rid of my backgrounds quickly and easily off my photos. So if you remove the background for free in Remove.bg first, then you can take your photo to Canva and put it in there, and you don't have to pay for the Canva Pro version to get rid of your background. Okay, pro tip there. Tool number 5. Okay, this is kind of two in a way, because I'm going to talk about Pexels and Pixabay. Now, these are free image libraries where you can download completely royalty-free images. So if you need extra visuals for your videos and you don't want to spend money on stock footage, I wouldn't want to spend money on stock footage, I always go to Pexels and Pixabay. They've got photos and videos that you can download free of charge, and they're completely royalty-free. By having royalty-free videos or images, then you are perfectly safe to use them in YouTube videos. And if you're making B-rolls for your videos, then you might want to use some of this stock footage for that. A bit of B-roll footage can help to make your video more interesting. What B-roll is clips of maybe examples of whatever you're talking about. So if I was doing a video on gardening and I was talking to the camera like this, then I might show a B-roll of somebody pruning a hedge or planting some seeds or that kind of thing. So whatever else goes on. So that's what a B-roll is. Okay, I hope that helps for those of you who are unsure what a B-roll is. So it's that other footage that comes into your video that you edit in just to show what you're talking about, and it becomes a bit more engaging for the viewer. So there we go. There are the 5 tools that I would highly recommend that every new YouTuber uses. They're completely free of charge and you can't really go wrong with any of them. Some of them do have pro options which you can subscribe to if you find them useful, but you can really get going with all of the free features on all of those 5 tools that I've mentioned in this video. So have a go at the tools. Let me know how you get on in the comments below. If there's anything I've missed, let me know, because there might be something you use that I haven't come across. So we can share in our community. Whatever we can share with each other, the better, and the more we will all enjoy and the more we will all grow together. If you like this video, remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. See you in the next one.